Hi everyone, and welcome to DiademAnalytics YouTube channel. My name is Happy Chukwudi and guess what? It is the final part of our series on mastering and unlocking the power of Excel filter function. In this concluding segment, we are diving deep into unlocking the full potential of the filter function by learning how to effortlessly retrieve the top and bottom performance. Whether you are aiming to identify the top 5 salesperson driving revenue or pinpoint the bottom 5 performers needing a boost, this tutorial has got you covered. By subscribing to the Diadem Analytics YouTube channel, you join the community of professional analysts and unlock a treasure trove of insightful tutorials to keep you on top of your data game. Okay, in this part 5, we want the top to ship mode and we also want to return the bottom to ship mode. Okay, in order to get that done, we need the summary of the sales data based on the ship mode. For us to get the summary of this data, we will use the pivot table and we'll click anywhere inside the table, click on the insert, go to pivot table, and we can create that on a new sheet. Yes, let's call this sheet, um, let's call it calculations. Alright, so here in the pivot table, we want the ship mode and the sales. Okay. One thing, we don't want the grand total, so we can put that off here. Correct. So one more thing, let's push this up to start from A1. Okay. So back to part 5, the sheet part 5. So let's start writing our formula. We start by entering the filter function formula. The first, we need the array. So the array, we're going to calculation, the sheet calculations, and we want to start from A2, and we want to make provision for any addition that may come in the future. So let's extend this to B100. Okay. Next, argument is include argument, and we have two conditions we want to capture in the include argument. The first one is to capture or remove the empty spaces we have provided for in this array we provided here. So we want where A2 to A100 is not equal to empty. So it's going to remove those empty spaces we have provided there. Then let's close that condition and we're going to multiply it because it's an AND logic. Okay, next condition, we want where B2 to B100 is greater than equal to large. Okay, for the large array, we want this B1 to B100, B2 to B100. Okay, and we want where the K is talking about the numbers we want to present. That is the top 2, top 3, whatever value you want, you just have to put it here. So if we need top 10, we can just put in 10 there. If we need the top 2, as in this case, we can just go ahead and have the top 2. And we close the large OK function and then close the second condition, and then we move to the next argument, which is the if empty argument. And for the if empty, we want to return no data. And we close the division. Alright, here we have the top 2 ship mode based on sell. Okay, one more thing, we need to sort it in order, in descending order. So we'll have the topmost first before the orders. So in order to get that, we go for the sort function, and we want to sort by index 2, and we want the descending order. Enter. So here now we have the standard class as the highest ship mode for cells, and then followed by the second class, okay, ship mode. All right, for the bottom two, we can as well, okay, before moving over to there, remember we had coded this 2 here, so we want to pick it out and reference this cell so we can manipulate it from this point. So we can change this to 3, we can as well change it to 1 and order, so we can just return it to 2 for now. All right, next, the bottom to ship mode. Okay, for us to get that done, we can easily copy this function here and over to this place, we paste it, then we'll make few adjustments. All this will remain same, but from here we'll start making our adjustment. The first adjustment is that we're taking out greater than equal to large to less than equal to small. Okay, next we want to redirect this cell to this point. Okay, and next we want to sort these in ascending order, so we have the lowest ship mode being on top while the others follow. All right, so we just hit enter. Great. So we have the same day ship mode as the lowest, the least cells, followed by the first class ship mode. Okay. By mastering the filter function, you have equipped yourself with a powerful tool for data analysis. You can create dynamic reports and dashboards that update automatically, allowing you to focus on trends and make data-driven decisions with confidence. This has been an exciting journey, and we hope you have gained valuable skills along the way. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the DiademAnalytics YouTube channel for more insightful tutorials to elevate your data analysis expertise.